Today's tutorial is nail art design for the theme of color outfits. Now let's do unboxing and get ready with me. We would use these color gels in our tutorial. After simple nail prep, we will start with clean and dry nails. This lays foundation for our nails. First, please apply a thin layer of foundation-based gel. Then cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. Apply this color gel on thumb, middle finger and little finger. Apply this color for index finger and ring finger. And cure under a UV lamp for 30 seconds. We need to apply the second layer and cure for another 30 seconds. Now take out the bow tie stickers and the tweezer from the kit. Use the tweezer to pick up the stickers and paste on nails. Be careful not to leave any gap between nails and stickers. Paste on middle finger and little finger as well. Take out the nail charms from the kit. Apply foundation-based gel in the center of bow tie stickers. Use the tweezer to pick up the nail charms and paste on thumb. Paste on middle finger and little finger as well. Then cure for 30 seconds. Top coat is the final step of nail art routine. It makes your nails more durable and glossy. For better color fixation, we need to cure this final layer for up to 60 seconds. Never forget to use cuticle oil after all. It gives a moisturized finish to your nails and also helps them more long-lasting. Well done! Now we are finished. Shop on Beetles Gel Polish Amazon store.